Once upon a time, in a lush and verdant meadow, lived a tiny ladybug named Lily, known for her vibrant red shell. She was admired by all, yet faced a challenge, a tiny, insidious foe. A parasite that threatened her existence, a struggle she had to face. One day, a new parasite named Blight arrived. With a hunger for ladybugs, none more so than Lily. Blight would latch onto Lily, draining her life, leaving her weak and vulnerable, unable to thrive. Lily, though small, was not one to give in. She fought Blight daily, but it seemed a never-ending spin. One day, as she lay weak, on a leaf so green, she pondered, how can I survive, and be as lean as a bean? In her thoughts, she remembered a wise old owl, who once spoke of a secret, a lesson to uphold. The wise are those who adapt, and learn to survive by growing lean and strong, and to be self-reliant is to thrive. With newfound determination, Lily began her plan to grow lean, yet stronger, to outwit Blight's span. She learned to avoid the sun, and kept herself moist. In this way, she grew tough, and Blight's hold she would not boast. Blight, however, didn't give up easily. He tried to cling to Lily, but she outsmarted his trickery. Lily learned to rest when her energy was low. And when Blight approached, she'd fly, and let the wind blow. As time went by, Lily grew lean and strong. With each struggle, she learned to outwit Blight's relentless cling. Though Blight still lingered, Lily had gained the upper hand. For she had learned the secret of the wise old owl's command. In the end, Lily's tale taught a lesson true, that with perseverance, one can overcome and learn to endure. Though adversity may come, and troubles may arise, remember Lily, and know that you too can survive with wise disguise. Moral: embrace change and adapt, grow strong in the face of adversity. For the wise are those who learn to be self-reliant, and never feel destiny.